Hi everyone. So in this video, we're gonna see how I have started speaking English without any friends. So many people are thinking if we are speaking the English, we need to someone, but no need to practice English. No one need, I think. So how I am practicing English every day. In my daily life, I am using the simple words the everyday. If I am eating some of the food, so I am using the food. So it is the I am using the English word, some of the food, some of the snacks. So these are the simple sentence. You make sure while you speaking, use those words because of if you speaking simple words, it is makes helpful, guys. So everyone, so use the simple word like I am take that mobile, I am watching TV, I writing my notes, so I am studying, and also I am reading. So these are the simple sentences you make, guys. So no need to your friends because of if you thinking in English. After that, you know so many words. So I'm also initially I'm thinking like the people if you are speaking the practice need someone. But after that I realized if you speaking the English, yeah, you first the thinking in English. So if you think in the English after that, yeah, you need to speak the fluency. So if you speaking the English, it is the any struggling, you are the face it is so don't worry about those guys. Because of initially everyone they are struggling to speak the English. After that they are the practicing. After that they will be adapted our language, our mind in the English. So after that, you will speak the fluency. So no need to wait for the perfect time. It is the never came, right? So after that, you simple sentence make the voice I am wake up, I gonna take shower, I gotta go. So these are the simple sentences are you making, guys. So if you the thinking, yeah, I think I go to play some sports. I think I gonna watch some shows or TVs or movie. So these are simple sentences you make, guys. After that, yeah, you will be that very happy. Like you feel the better the English fluency, and also if you the practicing every day, you have some of the confidence, right? If you have the confidence, yeah, you will speak some of the fluency also. So after that, I will give some of the tips. So if you the watching any videos, so please the sharing techniques also follow, guys. If you the following that method, yeah, you will be useful for those kind of the word, and also repeat them those many words. The what are the word it will be came. So please the pronunciation that full word. If you the pronunciation those words, yeah, you will be the fluency that word. Yeah, you don't they need to struggle with those kind of words. If you thinking some of the people you are not speaking the English or any troll or any something they are given, so ignore that guys. So no one perfect the English. After that they are the practicing, they will be the god that fluent. So yeah, the learning the English, yeah, the beginners. So initially it is take time, right? So after that, yeah, you can get the free. You know, some of the people thinking I know while speaking the English is the wrong method. I am not speaking the grammatically. Those people are the thinking, and also those people are the if I'm speaking the English, I am the fluent only. I'm speaking. So this is the wrong, right? So you need to the practice every day. After that, yeah, you're gonna speak the fluency. Then actually, yeah, you can speak. I'm also beginner, guys. I'm also struggling a lot. I'm also, before the year, I am only practicing the grammar or something. After that, the past the 3 months only, I am the practicing the speaking like strangers or something. The before the 2 weeks, I started to record myself. After that, boost my confidence. So these are the I'm struggling. So after that, I started this kind of an advice. So if you like this video, so please subscribe my channel and also share your friends. Makes helpful for this video. So thanks for the watching my videos. So don't wait for the certain time, guys. So start now immediately. So are you learning the English? So please let me know in the comment section. How many people are there learning? I know. So yeah, I will see in the comment section. So thanks for the watching. I will see the next video.